Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we're actually doing something very interesting. We're going to fit the JBL Basspro Hub to my car. Now if you have no idea what this is, it's actually a subwoofer that sits in the wheel hub of your spare wheel in the boot. So it's quite compact, it doesn't compromise on your boot space, and so this generation of VW Golf actually came with the dyno audio sound system as an optional extra. So if you had that optioned, the only difference with cars that don't have it is literally a subwoofer. So all the speakers inside the cabin, all 8 speakers are the same. 2 on the pillars, you have 1 on the front doors and 2 at the rear doors. So when you spec dyno audio, the extra bit that you get is actually this bad boy right here, a subwoofer. So let's head out to Rivonia Car Sound Systems and have our JBL Basspro Hub fitted. I'm really excited for this one. So guys, we just made it to Rivonia Car Sound, and yeah, let's go through the fitment process. Apparently it takes like 4 hours, so now it's like 23 minutes to 10, so I'll probably leave here around, I don't know, 2 p.m. thereabout. So yeah, let's head in. So guys, we're just going to unbox the subwoofer. I'd already opened it and sealed it back up, but just to show you what comes inside. So you have the plug-in cables, user manual, some kind of bracket, and then the sub is underneath there. Just wrapped up some nice paper, and this is the remote controller, so you can make your adjustments and tailor it how you want. So let's have a look at the sub. Yeah, I'm very excited. Yeah. Quite like the branding as well, the red JBL logo. Yeah, that's cool. The nice thing about the subwoofer is it literally sits in there, so it doesn't compromise on your boot space and stuff. So that's the beauty of it. So here's the subwoofer now sitting nicely and seamlessly. So now I just have to do like all the wiring and stuff, which is the main process, or the main job of this whole process. The other thing I like about the subwoofer is like the quality of it. It's all metal. Like, listen to that, it's not plastic. It feels very durable.
The area was just is short.
Okay.
This is camera. This one, that's camera. This is the screen. Picture. That's your area. That's the main power.
I never knew.
SD card. You were using it, but
Yeah, it just sits there all the time. This is where the wiring loom of the whole car runs. Just have to remove this panel. The rear seat is also out. This panel is also going out. It looks scary, hey, without the seats and stuff, but hey, these guys know what they're doing. Just thinking about this night. What goes on there?
See here. I will show you why. You see why I'm opening it.
Gasoline.
See the wire I was putting there? It hides it. It hides here. You see here.
Gasoline.
Hey. All the panels are now going back on. This one by the pillar was off. These ones are going back on. And yeah, we're almost there. We are almost there now. So panels are back on. Just left with the rear seat. Front panel is back on like nothing ever happened. So all the wiring and stuff is done. Now just connect the subwoofer and we're good to go. Now we can have a listen and enjoy some music. I'm really excited. So guys, I'm finally home and yeah, we're done with the fitment. The remote is here, so you can see I can adjust the bass and whatnot, and it's actually sitting nice and there. Thing close is fine. So yeah, we're playing. This is the current volume level, pretty low. You'll probably have to listen using headphones to get the best experience, but yeah, I'm happy with that so far. This is just crazy, guys. Guys, I'm happy with this purchase. I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm scared of making too much noise here for my neighbors and stuff. I'll just keep the volume level here. I think we should go to the back so I show you the fitment and stuff. So that's the fitment. Very clean, very seamless. Doesn't compromise on boot space. Just need to throw away a few of the stuff. But yeah, that is the Basspro Hub, guys. Oh man, this is such a different feel when you get inside here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you're looking for something like this, or the Basspro Hub exactly, you should definitely go for it. It's a really nice upgrade, although I feel like eventually I might need to upgrade some of my tweeters, especially these ones, but so far so good. You just need to set it up right, don't put the bass too high, and it sounds really nice. I'm happy with it. I think let me take some time, let me get used to it, and I'll certainly give you guys an update video on what it's like maybe a month later or something like that. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, that's cheers from me.